Okay, if you're an agency owner that also creates YouTube content for people, it can be for businesses, it can be for YouTubers, this video is for you. Now, in your business, probably the main idea is this. You want to give as much value as possible to your clients that also doesn't cost you much. For example, if there is a 10-second thing that you can do that's also very important for the client, you want to do that. Why? Because it's like nothing, it's not costing you, but it's very important for the client. Perfect. But if there is something, for example, that's taking you 10 hours to do, but then it's like just a little bit important for the client, then you probably don't want to do that because it's just not worth it. And that's normal. This is business, right? And probably I can guess that these are the things that you are helping with your clients right now. You might be helping them when it comes to ideation of the videos, which videos they want to make. You might be helping them when it comes to titles and the thumbnails. You might be helping the script of the video if you go a little further, right? The script of the video, the hook of the video. And then they probably film the video themselves. And then you're probably editing those videos for the YouTubers and then scheduling and then maybe cutting them up for shorts. So from the beginning of the content creation process all the way to the end. But the problem is a lot of these things take a lot of time. For example, when it comes to the ideation, if you are not that YouTuber, right? You are just the agency of that YouTuber, it's going to be very difficult for you to find like video ideas like them. On top of it, if you're working with businesses and creating them YouTube content, again, you are not them. You might not be as good as them when it comes to coming up with video ideas. Right? And when it comes to, for example, scripting, they love their version of scripting, and you might not be able to do that relatively well. Or even if you do that, it takes you a lot of time to do that. On top of it, you probably do editing, which takes, both times, it's a long time editing, we all know. And then on top of it, you probably do like descriptions, tags, and then the timestamps, which all, if you do manually, they do take a lot of time. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a tool that you can use as the agency owner or the person who works in the agency that can actually save you so much time where you can make your offer more valuable to the person while it is costing you less, which will increase your profits a lot. So this is the app that I'm talking about, Agent Gold. Actually, we're on the Agent Gold YouTube channel right now. And we look at this, get and test the best titles for videos and never guess again. And when you click on to try for free, you will have to sign in with the YouTuber's YouTube account. Now, I'm already signed in because I use it constantly, but you need to get the YouTuber that you're working with to sign in for this first so that you can actually enter the data here. Thus, the Agent Gold will be able to give you customized video ideas and customize everything for your liking, right? And the first page is, as you can see, the ideas. When you just hop into here, this is 15 ideas you can use for that YouTuber. And when you regenerate all of them, new ones come up. And what that means is your days of thinking about ideas for the YouTuber are over. And now, you might be using actually ChatGPT to do this, right? But the thing is, ChatGPT doesn't actually look and analyze your specific channel, that YouTuber's channel, and then gives further idea suggestions. ChatGPT just gives you back whatever you give it, right? This is not like that. The reason why it took maybe a little bit time in the beginning to load the app was because Agent Gold analyzed all of your videos, all of the YouTuber's videos, so that it can give directly personalized and customized video ideas. That's why this is good. So number one, ideation, you can just do that with Agent Gold much, much faster than you are doing manually. Number two, let's actually get like some scripts here going, right? So let's click onto this video, why I quit watching productivity gurus. And then when you click onto here, you will get an entire script outline that you can give to the YouTuber. And boom, here's the entire script outline. If you have done this yourself, then it would have taken you a long time to do this. It would have taken you a long time to think, a long time to ideate, a long time to see what works. But then Agent Gold can give this to you in like 5 to 6 seconds on average, in my taste. And if you don't like this, you can regenerate that, and then it gives you another one that's actually different to this, but for the same idea. And boom, this is the second version, which I actually like the first version maybe more than this even. So you can use this, and this will save you a lot of time and make it much easier for you to give more value to your clients. And number two, you can get a hook for the video. And the crazy thing about the hook is that it literally tells you the narrative, which means what the YouTuber is going to say. Ever wondered why constant goal setting might be sabotaging your success? And then it also says the shot, which means what actually is going to be shot on the camera at that point. Close up, ticking clock next to a stack of unread productivity books. Boom. And then it even tells you like this is a 15-second hook. This is not like something you can find in any other app. And then you can also get a description for this idea. And boom, here it is. For example, let's say you want to find like this perfect title for this video, right? You go here and then you copy this outline and then you go to the titles for me section and then paste it here and then click generate titles. Just like this, Agent Gold came up with all of these titles that you can use. You can actually, show more ideas similar to these. You can copy these, you can favorite these, do whatever you like, and you can use these titles to also get good views for your clients. And on top of it, when you go into the My Videos section, what you're going to see is you're going to see that YouTuber's entire videos. We have the Videos tab, we have the Shorts tab, and we have the Unlisted and Private tab. And this is where you can work on after the video is uploaded. For example, if you want to give more value to your clients, what you can do is you can tell them, hey man, I will look at your videos and find the ones that have the low CTR, and then we'll change it with another title so that it has a better CTR. And boom, you can, for example, go to this video and suggest titles. And then it gives you all of these titles you can change it to so you can have a higher CTR for your clients. And on top of it, you can also get timestamps for these videos. For example, boom, you click on to get timestamps. Here it is. And if you are doing this manually after watching the video and like writing down the timestamps, don't do that. You can just do it like this and then boom, apply, and it applies to your YouTube channel. And let's say that's not enough, you can also get an entire description. For example, you click onto this, generate description, and it gives you an entire description. You can regenerate if you don't like it, which I don't think that's going to be the case. You can copy, and you can also apply that to YouTube as well, just like this, boom. So if you are an agency that also does YouTube content for people, it can be for YouTubers, for businesses, Agent Gold is a must use for you. And I'm a full-time YouTuber. I'm not an agency owner. I don't work with agencies. I have my own team doing my videos and stuff. And the truth is, this is a gold mine for agencies, all right? The link is in the description, and you can try it for free and see if it's actually good or not.